Hello, my name is Yosef Sher and I'm from Boca Raton, Florida. Currently, I am an honors freshman student at Yeshiva University, which is a college in New York, where I am majoring in biology and minoring in public health and psychology. I am interested in genetic engineering and biotechnology, and so I decided that I would go and look for a course that would help me explore this subject. I found on LinkedIn a 5-day course on CRISPR, which is, I guess, one aspect of biotechnology and genetic engineering, run by BDG Life Sciences. And I was so glad that I found this course. The instructor, Mrs. Monica Moitra, was absolutely great. So the first 2 days, what we did was we talked about the theoretical aspects of CRISPR, which means that we talked about how CRISPR works, what are the applications for it, some ethical questions with it, and so on. And then the last 3 days, what we did was we used laboratory techniques through the web, where we would paste mRNA sequences from genes that we would look up online, and we would paste these sequences into a number of different websites, which would help us gather information for this CRISPR technology. I've had zero prior knowledge on genetic engineering and biotechnology, and I learned so much from this course. I definitely think that anyone who's interested in genetic engineering or biotechnology should take this course, as it will definitely improve your knowledge in this area of study.
Hi, this is Renu. I have completed my master's from Patna University, Patna. Right now, I am pursuing my PhD from Central University of Rajasthan. Recently, I have attended a workshop regarding CRISPR organized by the BZD. That was very good, especially Monica ma'am, no doubt. She tried to understand us everything, and I get benefited very well. And I learned how to design the guide RNA, sgRNA, and I know how to use the lots of online tools for designing the guide RNA, and all the sessions are very good. And most important thing is that ma'am tried hard to understand me and rest of the student, of course. And best part is that as the workshop was ended, but still we have access to all the video lectures and all. That was from my point of view, that was very good and appreciating. And once again, thanks a lot. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Praveen Kumar and I am from India. I am working as a PhD scholar in CSIR IIIM laboratory, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. So I have attended the workshop on CRISPR that gives us a good knowledge about how the CRISPR technology works, and the instructor of the workshop was very informative and was very patient when we asked some questions and our queries to her. So I want to thank BDG Life Sciences for arranging such a good workshop for us, and I recommend you all that you should take part in such workshops and seminars the BDG Life Sciences arranges for us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Fatma. I am from Turkey and I've just graduated from Genetics and Bioengineering Department of Yeditepe University, Istanbul. Recently, I've attended the 5 days online CRISPR workshop that is organized by BDG Life Sciences. I'm glad that I attended this workshop because it is an hands-on practical workshop, and the bioinformatics has always came a hard topic to understand for me, but Monica has explained these complex concepts very easily and in a very explicitly way, and she also answers all of our questions and clears our doubts, and I know I can reach her in time that I need. And yeah, so anyone considering to take this course, I recommend, because CRISPR technology is an emerging technology, and as scientists, even though I just graduated, I just got my bachelor's, we should all learn about this technology. And yeah, it was good to know all the basics of this technology. And yeah, I'm glad I attended this workshop. And yes, thank you for listening. Bye.